Hello guys, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the cutting effect of our hot wire CNC cutting machine on corrugated EPS sheets. The dimensions of the EPS corrugated board being cut are length 1000 millimeters, width 300 millimeters, with wave heights ranging from 78 millimeters at the peak to 30 millimeters at the trough. Our EPS foam CNC cutting machine supports quick switching between different shapes and sizes of cutting patterns by changing drawings, making production more efficient, and allowing us to flexibly respond to diverse customer needs. Now, let's follow the camera and watch the cutting process together. Finally, we will show you the finished product after cutting. Let's take a look. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.